cruise control, got it working thanks to Autokings in Pakistan. Helped me over the WhatsApp through messages and guided me through the wiring process, and they were the only people able to do it worldwide. This was the fourth person I went through. 3 other people couldn't get the car cruise control working, so Autokings is the only one to get the cruise control working on a 2016 Toyota Corolla Fielder, Japanese model, that doesn't come with cruise control. So there's no cruise light in the dashboards, but it does work. So the trick is, every time you turn on the car ignition, you have to press the button in, on and off button on the side. Press it on, and now there's no light saying the cruise control will be on the dashboard because it doesn't come with it, but it is on. When you go over 48 kilometers an hour, press set, press down to set it at that speed. When you're over 48 kilometers an hour, you can set it at whatever speed you want. Say if you're doing 50, you press it down at 50 and you'll feel the cruise control take over, and then you hit the brakes and that'll disengage it in the emergency right now, or you can pull the lever towards you, that also turns it off. And if you press up, that resumes the last speeds you had the cruise control set at. And every time you knock the ignition off, the keys, and come back to it and start it, you just have to press the button for the cruise control just to turn it on again, that's all. See, press it in there on the side, that's it, and that's it. But thank you Autokings, very good. 2016 Toyota Corolla Fielder model, hybrid, Japanese. Thank you very much, highly recommended.